Hey, welcome. We're back working on the Ford Ranger. I got the the fuel filter in today. Uh, there's the fuel filter. Got the Motorcraft, since it's a Ford. There's the filter. A little tidbit here. I ordered this off of eBay, and it wound up coming from Russia, of all places. I didn't realize that when I bought it. Little tip when you order it on eBay, always go over to the left side on the screen and go down about halfway and set it for USA, because if you don't know where this stuff will come from. But anyway, it looks alright. It's a Motorcraft, everything, but it came from Russia. Now I've already took the fuse box lid off, and here's the lid here, and I pulled out the fuse for the fuel pump, and I've already got inside and cranked it 3 times to clear the fuel out of the fuel pump. Already got it jacked up, and got a stand under there in case it was to fall down. So, and like I said, I've already took the fuse out, started it, cleared the fuel out, and you just do that so that when you take the filter off, there's not so much gas goes splattering everywhere. And also make sure you don't have a light or anything down there, or anything that could ignite the fuel. That wouldn't be a good day. Okay, there's the fuel filter. Has these little green hickeys, and this purple one you push in to pull them off. You push in on that and then push back this way, and it should come off, and then it's just pushed in this clamp here. Let me see if I can get it down so we can. There, we pulled it out of its bracket down here where we can get to it a little better. Okay, maybe you can see there all right. Let's see if we can push in on this. I'll probably get gas all over me. There it comes. A little gas in there. Let that run out a little bit. Let's see if we can get these back ones off here. Green one off. Now we can get the purple one off, or the blue. I guess it's blue instead of purple. Get my hands up here. There it comes. There's the filter. Looks in pretty good shape, but the truck's got almost 98,000 something miles on it. And you know, if you've been watching my videos, you know I just traded for it, so I don't know what service has been done and what hasn't. Okay, still in line there so you can see. Here's the new filter. It says Motorcraft on it. The other one didn't, so somebody probably changed the filter. Okay, we got the there's one big one here and one little one, and they won't interchange, so you can just snap them on there. I can get this one up on here, and it snaps on, and then this other one snaps on, and then just put it back in its bracket up here. Simpler enough. Okay. You can see here where the driver's side door is, and that filter is just in the frame rail, about the center of the passenger door. Okay, now we'll put the fuse back in. It goes in this one here. It's a 30 amp. I got gas all over me. Guess I need to kind of clean up a little bit before I do that. Yeah, the manual here shows that number 23 there is the fuel pump. There, that green one, that 30 amp, that's your fuel pump. And like I said, I pulled that fuse and then tried to start the truck about 3 times to clear the fuel out. And you notice I didn't have a whole lot of fuel run out. If you didn't do that, you'd have a whole lot more fuel run out. Okay, let's put the cover back on the fuse box here. We can do this with one hand. There we go. And I'll set y'all down here a minute and let the truck down. Okay, let's get in the truck. See if we can start her up. Let's see. Well, let's start it right up. I thought I might have to start it 2 or 3 times. Start it right up. I'll come around here and look underneath. Looks all right. That's a pretty easy job. thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe. It helps me out. Thanks again for watching.